Hello, my name is Matt Poole and I've been with Validyne for 20 years. Today we're going to show you how to change a diaphragm on a DP15 pressure sensor. The equipment required to change a diaphragm is a pressure source, a vise, an inch-pound torque wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. And today we're going to calibrate a DP15 with a CD23. The first step is to remove the screws holding the connector down. Next, we'll remove the body bolts. Next, remove the old diaphragm and install the new diaphragm. Then, replace the 4 body bolts and torque the body bolts to 120 inch-pound. Replace the 2 connector top screws. Okay, so now we have connected the DP15 to a CD23. First, adjust the 0 for 0 volt on the voltmeter and 0 on the display. Then apply the full scale pressure and adjust the span dial for 10 volts on the voltmeter. Then adjust the pot behind the display bezel for full scale reading on the display. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please call the service department at Validyne.